Experience T-Mobile 5G, the 2-month verdict. In today's video, I'm talking about my 2+ months of experience with the T-Mobile 5G home internet and what I love and what I hate. Let's get into it. So I got the T-Mobile home internet to replace AT&T, and overall, every part about it is better. The speed, way faster. I haven't had to unplug or reset this thing a single time. Overall, it's just a really great experience. Upload speeds were my primary reason for switching away from AT&T and getting T-Mobile. Also, the AT&T, I had to reset the box all the time, and this one I haven't had to reset at all. So I've been very happy. It looks great. It's always consistently fast. Everything just always works. That's what I want. I want it to always work. I don't want to have to think about it, and I want it to be fast enough. And this checks every box. So this is a potential hack that could work for you. So when I originally tried to get the T-Mobile 5G home internet, it said that it was not available in my area, but I have a business license. So I'm like, let's just check the business website. And for some reason, it said yes. So I wasn't able to get home internet, but I was able to get business internet, even though it's a residential address that I put in. I don't understand how or why they did it. Maybe it's like, maybe they prioritize business over home. I don't understand why, but if you're not able to get the 5G home internet, try to get the 5G business internet. I think it's exactly the same, but there's one area that it's not the same. See, when I got this set up, originally, I couldn't access Disney, I couldn't access YouTube, and I couldn't access a couple other sites that I need for work and for the kids, because we use it for the TV here at the house. And so I had a call. And I thought that I could set up the WebGuard on my own, and it turns out it was kind of an issue. And so it took a while on the phone to get the WebGuard turned completely off. But once I did that, no issues at all. None. This thing has been solid. I couldn't be more happy with this and the performance and the service, and all in all, I have nothing but great things to say. Here's one area where it is slightly different than AT&T. It's like $10 or $15 more expensive a month, but because it's faster and because I don't have to like reset it and mess with it, it doesn't bother me at all. The $15 a month is well spent. Even during peak times of the week, like Thursday and Friday evening, when I know everyone's at home watching Disney and Netflix, this thing just flies right along and it just works great. We have several devices that go to it. We have our iPhones going to it, our iPads, the TV goes to it, and then my laptop, of course, goes to it. My wife also uses her work laptop with this, and we haven't had anything but great performance and great things to say. If you're considering 5G home internet because you don't have other options, then I would highly recommend looking into T-Mobile first. Verizon is a great option. AT&T has an option. I don't think it's great. But I think that a lot of these issues that I've had with the other service providers are geographically specific. I think that it has to do with tower and congestion and like the literal geography of where your home is and the shape of it and like how thick the walls are. I think that there's a lot of different things that can affect from company to company. All those little things can really change your experience. So I think it is a very unique thing. I could say that 5G with T-Mobile is better, but if you live somewhere else, maybe AT&T is better, or maybe Verizon is better. It's hard to really say, but I would recommend starting with T-Mobile first, and if that works great for you and you don't have to reset it and it's always fast enough, then you're gonna be set. If T-Mobile home internet is not available to you, look into the business. I didn't have to show a business license or anything. It just worked. So that's a nice little hack for you. The T-Mobile 5G home internet also has the option to expand to different antennas on the back. You can plug in a router or a home network or something like that. If you can cable in a TV, it's got like USB ports on the back for different things, versus the AT&T that didn't have the external antenna option and it didn't have USB, and this is just a better option, I think, in so many different ways. And so I would recommend starting here. Let me know what your experience is with 5G home internet. If you have fiber, that's going to be a better option where you live. If you have access to cable modem, that's probably going to be a better option where you live. 5G home internet is going to be a great option for people who live a little more rurally, or someone who's not able to get cable modem or fiber in their home where they live. If you're stuck with DSL, then 5G home internet is probably a great option for you, and I would look into it quick. My experience with T-Mobile 5G, the 2-month verdict, thumbs up. In fact, 2 thumbs up. I love this thing. It just works. It's fast. I love it. Try it out yourselves. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. If you had a great experience using T-Mobile or a different 5G home internet service provider, I'd love to see your comments down below. I'd love to know what's working with you, what part of the country that you're in, and what's not working for you. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you got anything from today's video, please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.